a new video on the topic of fourth, not the fourth. This is the fifth chapter, that is the internet web browser. Okay, so we are going to discuss about only one topic that is commonly used internet terms. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about that some basic term. Okay, the basic terminology of internet. Okay, so the words which are commonly used in internet world. Okay, so but again I am just simply remembering that if you are new in my channel, first of all subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly. And if you like the teaching style of mine, then you just simply press the like button also. Okay, I just simply watch so many times that all the videos are getting only 6 or 7 likes over there. Okay, so but you have to just simply go over there, press the like button also, so that I will just simply get motivated that I am teaching well or not. Okay, so let's just start with the first topic, that is the commonly used internet term. The first term is World Wide Web, WWW. Okay, the WWW means World Wide Web. WWW refers to the network of sites on the internet which contain information in the form of text, picture, animation and videos. Okay, means whatever you just simply search or watch over the internet, it will just simply come with the help of WWW. Okay, the founder of WWW is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, means WWW is the collection of all the websites that are just simply being used as their domain name. Okay, now and in the website it will just simply, there will be a text, or the information is just simply in the form of text, video, audio, graphics, etc. Okay, the information can be accessed by the people all over the world, means who have the internet connection in their devices, they can just simply access over the WWW. Okay, now after that the second is web page. This is the second term that is commonly used in internet, that is web page. So a web page is a digital page which may not contain image. Okay, sorry, which may contain, so not I will simply misspelled not. So a web page is a digital page which may contain text, image, video, audio, etc. Okay, whenever you just simply open any website, it will give you some information written in the text, some information showing the picture over there, and some beside the website there are some graphics also that show the ads of some related things. Okay, suppose if there is an ad of my YouTube channel, then there is an ad that show subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list. Okay, so such type of graphical advertisement which is shown just beside to the left or to the right of that web page. Okay, now after that, home page. What is the home page? Home page is that page that appear first when you open any type of website. Okay, when you simply open a website, it will default by opening the home page. You cannot change that. Okay, so the first page of the website is called the home page. As I told you, whenever you just simply click over a website, the first page that just simply come in front of you or watch that you watch firstly is called the home page. Okay, it contains the main information about the access website along with the links or to the other pages of a website. Okay, means whenever you just simply click over a website, it will give a home page over there, and in the home page the details of that particular website is all the details are there. The owner, who is the owner of that website, and what is the information or what is the contact number, what is the address, and all these details are also filled over there. Okay, now what is URL? URL is also a basic word that is used in the internet world very commonly. Now to visit your friend place, you need to know his address. Means if you wanted to come to my home, then you have to know that what is my address. Okay, if you don't know my address, that where I basically live, then you cannot come to my home. Okay, because you are not supposed to learn. Okay, you are not supposed to have the address of mine. So first of all, you have to take my address from me or from anyone who knows my address, and after that you will come to my home. Okay, so the okay, similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. Each website is defined by its unique address, which is known as Uniform Resource Locator. Means whenever if you wanted to and just simply go over there over a website like Flipkart, Amazon, Facebook, or any other outlet, Yahoo, Google, or YouTube, whatever type of website you just simply open, like Wikipedia, also www.wikipedia.in, like that type of these are some URL. You have to know these all. Okay, if you don't know the particular website's URL address, then you cannot access over there in the website. And after that, the URL of any website is the entered in the address bar in the web browser. Okay, whenever you simply open the web browser, there will be on the top of the web browser there will be a search bar over there that is called the address bar. You have to just simply click over there, type that URL, click over the search button or press enter key, you will go through that website. Okay, now there is an example that www.cartoonnetwork.com, that is favorite. I think all of the students I just simply think that all of you students just simply watch the Cartoon Network. Okay, now after that the Discovery Channel, also discoverychannel.com is www.discoverychannel.com. This is my favorite because I watched it, Man vs Wild. Okay, are the URLs of Cartoon Network and Discovery Channel respectively. Okay, so these are some URLs by which you simply by typing these type of URL over your devices, you can access into your in that type of websites homepage. Okay, now what is ISP? ISP is a very popular word, or as I can say term, that is used in the internet world. That first is, what is the full form of ISP? Okay, so ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. This is the full form of ISP. What is the full form? Internet Service Provider. Okay, after that, ISP is a company like Vodafone, Idea, Jio, Airtel, like that. Okay, so which offer you the use of internet in exchange of for a fees. Means whenever you just simply get a recharge over there, a month or 3 month or 6 month or a year. Likewise, I am just simply having a recharge of an year of 2,400 rupees, so that I can just simply enjoy the internet for a year. Okay, I got 2 GB of data per day. Okay, and so many things they just simply give as their offers. Okay, in this particular plan. So whatever type of your plan is going to be there, you can just simply think about that. That is the fees that they take from you and give you that particular service. Okay, suppose I am just simply tutoring you, means I am just simply giving you a tuition over you in the home, and then your parents give me some fees. Okay, likewise 1,000, 2,000 rupees or 2,500, whatever the fees they just simply give to me, that is the fees for me. Okay, but I am giving you a 1 hour of mine, means I am just simply giving you 1 hour to teach you at your home. Likewise, the ISP is also a company that give you the service to access over the internet. That's why you are just simply paying some charge to that company. Likewise, the 1 month plan is about 199. Okay, this is for only 28 days. If you wanted 84 days recharge, then you just simply go over there and buy a plan of 399, means 399. After that, many new plans are there. I was using 2,399 rupees only. Okay, I just simply use that plan, that is for 1 year, that give me a 2 GB of data. So it provided software username, password to the user in order to get connected to to the internet. If you wanted a connection of internet, then you have to just simply choose an ISP. ISP is the internet service provider, that the company that give you the access to in the internet. Okay. Now some of the popular internet service provider ISP in India are BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, okay, Idea, Vodafone, etc. Okay, so these are some companies that give you, but the Tata company give you the communication. Okay, means all these companies are just simply get connected with Tata Communications, so that they can also get an access over the internet or to this connection. Okay, so main company is Tata. Suppose I am simply paying a charge to Jio company, but Jio take a connection to Tata Communications so that they can give us a fully clear connection or fully clear connectivity via internet or via call system. Now what is net surfing? Then net surfing is also a very popular word. Too many times I have simply used net surfing. So the act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy is called net surf. Means suppose if you are watching for a website over there like www.cartoonnetwork.com, this is a URL of any website, and you just simply search over there. The searching process of your or the timing that you spend over the internet surfing is called net surfing. Okay. Now after that, like a surfer on the water sport rides the wave towards the shore by going with the flow. Similarly, the net surfer surf the ocean of knowledge by simply following the links. Suppose I have too many links over my mind, I will simply type one by one all the websites and I will simply visit all the websites. This particular procedure means when I will simply open the internet connection, from that time to the surfing time is called net surfing. Okay. Now a link can be highlighted text, a button or an image. Okay, means it will highlighted by only blue color. The link is highlighted by blue color. It is pre-highlighted. You are not supposed to select it. Whenever you will simply hover the mouse over that particular website, it is of blue color. Okay, in every devices. When we move the cursor over the link, the cursor change into a hand-shaped pointer. Okay, that pointer or that the pointer of the mouse will just simply change like this type. Okay, this type likewise this. Okay, this kind of shape will change when you just simply place a cursor over the website. Okay, now after that, clicking a link takes us to a web page in the website or to a different website. Means suppose you have to simply click over another link in the website or over the website, then it will access to the next web page or to the next different website. Okay. Now the search engine. Now what is search engine? So we are going to discuss about the search engine. That is, what will you do if you have to find a particular chapter in a book? Okay, means suppose I give you a homework that read chapter number this. Okay, and I am not going to read that chapter. So what to do now? So you have to just simply search over the Google or over the Bing, over the Yahoo. These are some search engines over there. So you have to just simply search via this search engine over your topics, and after that you can watch the video, watch the written documents over also there, so you can just simply got all the details about that particular chapter from that search engine. So you will see the index, find out the page number, and then directly open that page. Similarly, to look any information on the internet, search engine can be used. Okay. This is a basic example I will give you. Suppose you have to simply open your book and I am just simply telling you that open your lesson number 4, but you don't know at how many pages you have to turn, and after that you got the lesson number 4. So there is a list in just when you simply turn the first page means the hardware page of that particular copy. You will get the first page. In the first page you will listed all the lesson and the page number also. So you have to just simply find out the page number of that particular lesson and open that particular lesson in just one go. Okay, so a search engine is a software that searches various web pages on the World Wide Web for a particular information. It requires a user to enter the keyword related to the information to be searched and display the search result in the form of links to the page on which the keyword are found. Okay, means whatever the topic you wanted to search in the computer system or in the search engine, you just simply open that Google search engine, and after that in the search bar you have to type that particular topic, and after that suppose that the topic is commonly used internet terms. After that, this is the topic, you have just simply type in the search bar in the Google search box, and after that clicking over the search button you will access over all the information related to, suppose the written documentary or the video or any audio, you will got all these information over there in the search engine. Okay, so there are some example like Google. So the URL of Google is HTTP. Okay, like www.google.com. The Bing's URL address is www.bing.com, and the Yahoo URL is www.yahoo.com. Okay, HTTP, the full form of HTTP is Hypertext Type Protocol. Okay, so these are some, and the www is World Wide Web. Okay, to find information on the search engine, connect to the internet and use the desired web browser. Okay, means whatever type of web browser you wanted to use, like Google, it's Opera Mini, UC browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Dolphin browser, whatever type of browser you wanted to use, you can just simply install that particular browser and after that open that browser. Okay, or open the internet connection also, so that you can get access into the internet. And after that, open any search engine like Google. If you just simply wanted to search over any topic, you can just open any type of search engine you want. I prefer Google search engine most. Okay, so type a few keywords related to the information you wanted to search. For example, Cartoon Network, and click over the search button. Means whatever type of topic you wanted to search, you just click over there, and after clicking over the after typing all the keywords related to your search, you just simply click over the search button. Okay, clicking over the search button, it will display a list which have the relevant information. Means you have to simply type Cartoon Network, then there will be a list over there. You can find all the things related to Cartoon Network. Means all these like Tom and Jerry and Jack, many more cartoons, Oggy and the Cockroach, many more. I also watch when I also a kid, I watched such type like Motu Patlu. Yes, my favorite. When I just be a small kid, I watched the Motu Patlu very much because I like the Dr. Jhatka. Yes, that is my favorite because he has an experience of 20 years, and I also. Okay, so now read the provided information and click the link you consider the most appropriate. The website will open. Means whatever your favorite cartoon over there, you can just simply click over the link, and after clicking over the link, you got that particular cartoon is to be played over there in the website. So students, I think it's enough for today, and you can also visit such type of website like www.Cartoon Network or www.discoverychannel.com. Okay students, so it's enough for today, but again I am remembering that if you are new in my channel, then first of all subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly. And again I am saying that if you like my video, if you like my teaching style, then you just simply press the like button just below the video, and after that share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get such type of wonderful information about this topic. So stay tuned with me on my channel. Goodbye, students.